From the vast expanse of space, our planet appears as a blue oasis, a living sphere suspended in the void. This is Earth, our home, a world teeming with life in all its forms, interconnected and interdependent. Every continent, every ocean, every desert, and every forest contributes to the intricate tapestry of life that defines our world. But how did this all come to be? What stories do this landscape hold? Across its diverse landscapes, Earth harbors an incredible array of ecosystems, each bursting with unique life forms. From the dense forests to the deep blue oceans, from the scorching deserts to the icy poles, every corner of our planet holds wonders beyond imagination, all part of a delicate and intricate web of life. These ecosystems are not isolated. They are deeply interconnected, influencing each other in countless ways, sustaining life in a complex dance of elements and energy. Let us embark on a journey to explore this intricate web, to understand the balance that sustains us all. In the heart of our planet lies the rainforest, the lungs of the earth. These verdant expanses, rich in biodiversity, are home to half of the world's species. Despite covering only a small fraction of the planet's surface, each tree, each plant, each animal plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. The towering trees reach towards the sky, their branches creating a vast canopy that filters sunlight and sustains the myriad forms of life below. The rainforest thrives on a delicate cycle of water and sunlight, creating an environment where life flourishes in abundance. The roots of trees penetrate deep into the earth, drawing up water and nutrients, while their leaves release oxygen and moisture into the atmosphere. This constant exchange of elements nurtures the forest, allowing it to regenerate and grow. cacophony of vibrant parrots fills the canopy with sound and color. On the forest floor, a hidden world teems with life. From the tiniest insects to the majestic trees that stretch towards the sky, these creatures have evolved to thrive in their unique niches, each contributing to the overall health of the forest. Rain, the lifeblood of the rainforest, falls in abundance, nurturing the plants and animals that call this place home. Each drop of rain is a lifeline, sustaining this vibrant ecosystem and its myriad inhabitants. Without this constant supply of water, the forest would wither and die, its inhabitants struggling to survive. Within this lush expanse, symbiotic relationships thrive. Tiny ants defend their arboreal homes from invaders, while the trees provide shelter and sustenance. This intricate dance of mutual benefit showcases the complexity and interdependence of life in the rainforest. Each relationship, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Covering over 70% of our planet, the oceans are a vast and largely unexplored frontier. Beneath the surface lies a world of astonishing diversity, while the drama of life unfolds in an ever-changing, weightless expanse. The oceans are not just a source of life, they're a dynamic, pulsating heart that influences the climate, weather, and the very air we breathe. The interconnectedness of life in the ocean is evident in the complex relationships between species, predators, and prey. Symbionts and hosts all rely on each other to survive in the underwater world. Sea turtles, for example, graze on seagrass, maintaining the health of the seagrass beds, which in turn provide habitat for countless other species. In stark contrast, the deserts appear barren and lifeless at first glance, but look closer and you'll find a resilient community of plants and animals, each uniquely adapted to survive in these arid lands. Deserts, with their extreme temperatures and scarce water, test the limit of life. Yet, they are teeming with organisms that have evolved remarkable strategies to endure and thrive. mammals, with their remarkable endurance, traverse the endless sands, storing water in their bodies for the long, parched journey. Their ability to go without water for days, even weeks, and to endure the scorching heat makes them perfect inhabitants for this harsh environment. Sidewind snakes, masters of thermoregulation, glide across the hot desert with a unique side-winding motion. This movement not only conserves energy but also minimizes contact with the scorching sand. Meanwhile, cacti bloom their flowers, a beacon of resilience and survival. These plants have adapted to store water in their thick, fleshy stems, allowing them to endure long periods of drought. Rising from the plains, mountains dominate the horizon, their towering peaks reaching for the sky. These high places, often shrouded in mist and mystery, are home to some of the world's most hardy species, enduring in thin air and freezing temperatures. Mountains are the Earth's natural fortresses, creating unique microclimates and habitats that support a diverse array of life. mountain goats, with their incredible agility, navigate sheer cliffs with ease, gazing on sparse vegetation. Their specialized hooves and muscular builds allow them to climb steep, rocky terrains that would be impossible for other animals. Snow leopards, elusive and majestic, patrol their lofty realms, perfectly camouflaged against the rocky terrain. These solitary predators are adapted to the cold with thick fur and powerful limbs that enable them to leap great distances in pursuit of prey. Mountains also play a crucial role in the Earth's water cycle. Their glaciers, ancient and massive, feed rivers that sustain life far below. As these glaciers melt, they give rise to streams and rivers that nourish entire ecosystems. From highland meadows to distant lowlands, the seasonal melting and freezing of glaciers regulate water flow, ensuring steady supply of fresh water to regions that depend on these vital resources. At the planet's poles, life endures in the harshest of environments. These frozen frontiers, where temperatures plummet and the sun disappears for months, are as beautiful as they are unforgiving. The polar regions, with their vast ice sheets and frigid waters, present some of the most challenging conditions on Earth, yet they are home to a remarkable array of life. In Antarctica, penguins huddle for warmth, their tightly packed colonies a testament to communal living in the face of extreme cold. These flightless birds rely on each other for survival, forming a tight-knit group to conserve heat and protect against the biting winds. In the Arctic, polar bears roam the sea ice, powerful and solitary, hunting seals to sustain themselves. These apex predators are perfectly adapted to their icy environment, with thick fur, a layer of blubber, and sharp claws for gripping the slippery ice. Above these icy realms, the aurora borealis paints the sky with light, a mesmerizing reminder of the pole's enchanting beauty. This natural phenomenon, caused by the solar winds interacting with the Earth's magnetic field, illuminates the darkness with brilliant displays of color. The auroras are a testament to the dynamic forces at play in our planet's atmosphere, creating breathtaking spectacles in the cold polar night. Our planet is a living, breathing entity, filled with wonders that sustain us all. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peaks, from the rainforests to the deserts, each ecosystem plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. It is our duty to protect and preserve these precious ecosystems for future generations. Together, we can ensure that our planet remains a vibrant, thriving home for all its inhabitants. This is our planet, our home. Let's cherish it and work together to safeguard its future.